Hi there everyone, I am Mayur Gohil. Welcome to the video lecture series of bilinear transformations. In this video lecture, we will be solving type 2b kind of problems of bilinear transformation related to cross ratio. So let us see the question. Find a bilinear transformation which maps z equal to 0, 1, infinity on 2 points w equals to -5, -1 and 3. Okay, so in this type, what is special is that one of the point will be infinity. It may be either on the z side or on the side of the w or on both the side. How to deal with these type of problem we will be seeing in this video lecture. Okay, so the regular method is that we label the points. Okay, so first you label the points z1 equals to 0, z2 equal to 1, z3 as a point will be infinity now. Okay, because we are considering extended complex plane. W1 will be -5, W2 will be -1, W3 will be 3. Now, like my previous video lecture that I had mentioned, that we do not change the order of the points that is given to us. Okay, now the next will be we apply the result that I had shown in you in my previous video lecture, that is because the bilinear transformation preserves the cross ratio and 3 points are given, so we have this as a result. Now comes the important step. Since z3 is given to us as infinity, how to deal? You see that side where z3 is involved, so that is LHS. Now you divide numerator and denominator both by z3. So when you divide it, you obtain this, that is z minus z1. We do not touch that part, but when you divide this portion, you get z2 upon z3 minus 1, and in denominator z1 minus z2 remains as it is, whereas this portion gets converted to 1 minus z upon z3. Okay, now we know that when z3 is infinity, 1 upon z3 will go to 0. So what happens is that z upon z3 will turn down to 0. z2 upon z3 will also turn down to 0. Okay. Okay. Now further, this is the important step. You can mark it. Okay, I'm marking it over here. I'm even highlighting it. Okay. Now you plug up the values. What you will get is z minus 0 divided by 0 minus 1. Now this z2 upon z3 will turn down to 0. Okay, and that will be subtracted 1 over here, and 1 minus z upon z3 will turn down to 0. And on RHS, you just plug up the values of W1, W2 and W3 as the way they are given. Now you perform your calculations. Okay, on calculations you will get that z is equals to w plus 5 divided by 3 minus w. But our definition of bilinear transformation is that we need w equal to whatever terms you will have, that is w is equals to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Okay, in that format is required. So for that reason, what do I do is I take the denominator and multiply it on the other side, and then collect all the terms of the w on one side, and then I solve it, and I get w is equals to 3z minus 5 divided by 1 plus z. This is my answer for the bilinear transformation that was required. So we have found the required bilinear transformation over here. The only important thing in this type of problem is that whenever infinity appears either on the z points or in w points, you have to divide that point by that point in the numerator and the denominator on that particular side, wherever it is appearing, either on the Z or on the W side. You divide that and you get it done. So these two steps become very important over here. Okay, that's why I'm showing a red star over here. It's very important. And then you can get it done. Wherever you have divided, that part will become 0, and you can easily solve the further problems. Okay, now I'm giving you these 3 problems for the practice. Here on I have shown you one side where Z was infinity. The first problem I'm giving you is where W is having infinity as one of the points. So similar procedure will be there. The second is almost similar to what we have done. And the third one, both the sides there is infinity. So you will just have to divide Z by, on the Z side you will have to divide it by Z1. And on the W side you will have to divide it by W3. Okay, for infinity. Do not change the order of the points for any of these problems, otherwise your answer will not come correct. Okay, yeah, so this is what I am giving you. And so what is the main thing over here is this: whenever these type of question, a point in Z plane or in W plane is infinity, we divide the numerator and denominator of the cross ratio by that point on that side. This is very important to be remembered, and if you remember this, you will be able to solve all these 3 problems. You can go through the example easily. Till stay happy, keep solving mathematics. Tata.